Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve the unexpected error occurred issue on Instagram in just a few simple steps. If you're opening your Instagram account status, you might see an error like, "Sorry, we couldn't complete your request. Please try again in a moment. An unexpected error occurred. Please try again later." Don't worry. I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this error. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. Alright, let's get started. To solve this type of unexpected error on Instagram, first, open the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now, search for the Instagram app. Select Instagram from the search results. If you see an update button next to Instagram, tap on it. Once you press update, Instagram will start updating to the latest version. It may take a few moments to update. Once completed, tap on Open the Instagram app and go to Account Status from the Settings menu. Look at this. Now everything is working without any errors. You can now view your account status details without facing any issues.